What's up, guys? Just Kobe here. Got my boy Juice Made Hoops, man. Y'all give me the damn. Wait, do it again. Do it again. Man, take it.
Worth a couple hundred mil, no thousand. This bitch wanna fuck me, but I charge by the hour.
What's up, guys? Just Kobe here. Got my boy. Hey, man, Juice Made Hoops in the building, man. Y'all give me the 20,000 subscribers. www.youtube.com/juicemadehoops.com, bro. Go ahead, get them in
20,000,
bro. But okay, we're not here to waste y'all time like all these other YouTubers, bro. We're gonna get straight into the video, bro.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing an unboxing for the Sony A7 Mark III. Get that name right, man.
We got this camera actually from Best Buy. Retail price is $2,100. $2,100.
Yes, sir.
We ended up getting the protection plan, lifetime warranty, and all
2
that
years,
stuff.
2 year squad.
2-year warranty. The Geek Squad plan.
Geek Squad. You can do 4-year warranty too, but I'm cool with 2 years because I'm like very careful with my cameras.
But yeah, we ended up paying $2,500 for the camera, bro. So if that's in your budget, we're gonna do tests for this camera, see if it's actually worth it.
Yeah,
I'm sure that's
and you can also, if it's not in your budget too, you can finance it for 12 to 24 month plans. But it's up to you to decide if you want to do fully payments.
Not gonna lie, also make sure you ask before you actually buy it, because we thought we can do the 24 months financing. They said we couldn't do it at that location, so we had to do it 12 months.
No, we paid it fully. But anyway,
we paid this
camera cash, man. We bought two bins and a half, straight up.
You can't really afford the paying the cash.
You can do payments.
Do the payments,
yeah, 100%.
Financing. It'll boost your credit up too, but you know what I'm saying, we don't really care about credit.
Gotta get this credit score up, no cap.
Onto the camera, bro. Shoots 4K. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really know too much about cameras. I'm really just.
So the camera shoots 4K, right? You know what I mean. So we got also crazy quality Dolby Digital audio, and also it comes with Wi-Fi certified. And the whole basis. I know y'all don't care about the whole specs, so we're just gonna show you the camera.
No cap, bro. Like, people really be like, nobody cares about the specs. Like,
oh God, man. It's like if y'all want the specs, but y'all can look it up on Google.
I was trying to go. Oh. But anyways, I just care about what the camera looks like and if it's easy to use, bro. That's all I care about. I'm sure you guys care about that. So we're not, like I said at the beginning of the video, bro, we're not gonna waste y'all's time.
Yeah,
let's get right into the goddamn the video test.
The unboxing. Yeah, ASMR. Just Cobra. Juice Made Hoops. Sony A7 Mark III. No cap.
So first thing, you open it, you're gonna get your lifetime warranty. I believe it's a lifetime, warranty thing.
Go ahead.
It comes with like the books and all that type of stuff. I'm sure, like I said, y'all don't really care about that type of stuff. Yeah. So,
hey, bro, this is 2 bands right here that we're dealing with, man.
Look at the inside. I honestly, personally like the presentation of it.
Yeah.
I think Sony did a very good job.
Shout out Sony Productions.
Oh, first thing you see when you open the box is the books, and then you're gonna see this lens right here.
Right there.
I personally, like I said, don't know too much about cameras. I don't know what size this is.
Let's give them a closer look, man.
You need to get closer, bro.
You know what I mean? So here's the
Don't drop it.
The actual lens. No, this is the actual lens. You can squeeze it like that. Bow! You know what I mean?
Hello.
We getting some lens action right now.
That's tough.
Yeah.
That's real tough. That's real tough action right there, bro.
And what just popped off, see, this is like the back of the lens where you connect it to the body of the camera.
But yeah, y'all don't care about that. Like I said, bro, y'all don't care about the lens. I think this is the lens holder.
This, from my perspective, my knowledge, it blocks out the sun, extra light.
Oh, that's what it does?
That's what it does, yeah.
How much does that cost, like, regularly if you just want that?
I'm not sharp, to be honest, man.
This is the baby right here. This is
2 bands.
This is the 2 bands, man. 2 bands on my neck, bro. This right here, bro, comes gift wrapped, bro. Gift wrapped. Y'all camera not doing this.
I know.
$2,500 for this camera right here, bro.
Yeah, let's show the camera right quick, man. Let's show the camera,
bro. Don't drop it.
I feel like y'all see our reflection, man. We got some duplications on this, right? Oh shit. But yeah, so here's the front of the camera. Bow.
Wow.
Back of the camera. Bow.
Everything is gonna be laid right here. Like I said, it comes with your camera, comes with the lens case, lens, the sun lens thing, warranty, and the strap, bro. It's what you get for $2,500. If you do want to apply for something, y'all don't care about that, bro.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So let's just get right into the montage of the camera itself.
You were was so bad I couldn't help it. I couldn't help myself. I wouldn't be mad when it's all over. I did my best. Hello, I'm calling from out of this world. I know you bitter. I'm talking to other girls.
Says the N-word all the time.
100%, bro.
Cobra trains Just Cobra. He's up next. Make sure y'all subscribe to him. He's number one out here.
He's the toughest fitness guy out here.
Big on big, you need to stop it. You ain't dropped your shit, it didn't hit. You ain't had flopped it.